Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be watching the Jisoo dance practice behind the scenes for Earthquake. I just saw the Earthquake music video behind the scenes, and I'm just checking out a bunch of the Jisoo solo album content because I hadn't had a chance to check it out. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, Kristen. Hey. Hey. I need to look this up, Toast. Actual comedian, actually, though. Hey. 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 When did she have time to learn this? Like, oh, hey, hey.
Yes, yes.
Me too, girl, me too.
너무 오랜만에 해서 제 인생에 춤이 있는 걸까요?
Literally.
누구보다 격하게 춤추는 중.
Look how good she is after having been like just acting for so long. Hey, hey. She put on the apple cap.
내일도 열심히 해보도록 하겠습니다.
Done. Okay, slay. Hey.
For choreography.
Does the song say for choreography? For choreography. Does it say that just in case it gets leaked? That's so smart. Look at you.
For choreography.
Sorry, my OCD ass would be like, for choreography, and look into really cut the cameras, we need to use the actual song. Okay. Cannot get it out of my hand, you guys. For choreography. For choreography. I was a beat too ahead. Too ahead. I think I'm gonna...
Not bad.
두 번 만에 찍어서 신나네.
Picture time.
화이팅! 하나, 둘, 셋.
Slay. She said, let me get one with Kristen. She said, I'm a fan.
Thank you.
No, thank you.
Hi.
Is that Blissy Studios? Is this Blissy
시작.
Dance Studio?
연습 지옥.
Not practice hell, girl.
이제 2주 후에 뮤직비디오를 찍어야 돼서 열심히 연습하고 있습니다.
diva? Oh. Not again, y'all. Not again. For choreography. For choreography. Oh, momito, yo can't stand. Hey, hey. For choreography. Hey, 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 hey. So good. Okay, Jisoo. For choreography. I cannot. I can't move. Okay, she's choreographing too. She's put me in the choreo credits too.
여기서 근데 좀 더 모였으면 좋겠어.
일자 만들 때?
아니요, 저 골반 돌리게 할 때. 근데 약간 이게 저는 좀 더 이렇게 맞아. 뭉탱이로 이렇게 움직이는 이렇게 각좀 뭔가 오늘도 오늘의 안무 완료?
Fun one. They're reviewing.
리액션 맛집이 갑자기 진짜 저거.
That is a supportive team. Diva. Hey, 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 hey. 와. 멋있다.
완전 시원해. 뭐야. 점점 작아지는 것 같은데.
얘를 해서
이거다. 이거 시원하지?
Nothing
윤희도
structured.
CG 진짜 궁금하지 않나요?
너 진짜 무슨
CG. 회사에 있다가 내가 문자를 받은 거지. 고백을 받은 거야. 내가 심장이 떨리는 거지. 그래서 그 이제 상상에서 떨어져다니면서 이 핸드폰 하자기 위해서 춤추고 이제 사무실에서 하다가 다시 맨 마지막에 보내는 끝. 귀여워. 그러니까 내가 문자를 받고 고민하는 동안의 내용.
Literally, perfect explanation. That's before she even saw the final cut. She said I had the storyboard down.
For choreography.
I think I'm gonna. I feel like this is the first one she's like tired. The rest she's had a little energy after.
이제 이후면은 사전 녹화가 기다리고 있기 때문에 저희가
이키가요?
마지막 연습을 하고 있습니다. 너무 힘들고요.
That's how you know she's been busy, because from when they started practicing the dance to like her performing now.
두번 해야 돼, 두 번. 파이팅 해보도록 하겠습니다. 안무를 전체를 처음 공개하는 거니까 뭔가 좀 떨리고, 네, 링크가 좋아해줬으면 좋겠네요. 새 마이크도 장만했다고요.
Okay, Diva. Oh, sorry. That probably sounded so loud. I'm not supposed to chicken.
이렇게까지 신나게 춤춘 적이 있었나 싶을 정도로 춤을 추고 있습니다.
Now the adrenaline is kicking in.
잔머리 올라온 거 보고 이제 그만하래요 이만. 다음 노래는 발라드로 제가 한번 의자에 앉아서
Now they're using the real song, because by this time the song is out, right? Choreography. Hey. That was before a fan signing? Oh my god, slay! That is it for this video. If you liked the reaction, please like the video. Subscribe to the channel, it means a lot to me. I will be checking out more Jisoo content, so please check it out. And I will see you in the next one.